After cops arrest key accused in the case, the accused will be produced before the magistrate. Mumbai cops to seek custody of the accused to be grilled for more details. Ritvik Balikar is joining us in the broadcast for more on this. Ritvik, we're learning that the accused will be produced before the magistrate. The Mumbai cops will be seeking custody of the accused. Give us more details. What are you learning?
Yes, absolutely. In a short while, accused will be taken out from Khar police station where right now I am present, and he is kept on the 4th floor of this building of Khar police station. Police have already arrived. The team of detection will be taking him in a vehicle which is rightly parked in front of the gate. This vehicle will be taking the accused to first Baba Hospital, where medical examination will be done, and after that he will be produced in the Holiday Magistrate Court today, where police will seek his custody. What sources are being telling us is that because it's a holiday court, 1 or 2 days custody might be given to the police, after which the further investigation would be done. But after that he will be produced in a regular court. From there onwards, after hearing and gathering more information in the investigation, he will be again sought police custody. Now, we really need to see that how the things go further, because the attacker is what the police has told. Now we can see that the team of detection has come out of the police station, and just in a while, the accused, Mohammad Shehzad, will be brought out of the Khar police station. Senior police officer Mr. Paul is also leading the team and will try to talk to him. क्या बताएंगे बाबा हॉस्पिटल लेके मजिस्ट्रेट कोर्ट लेके जाएंगे कि मेडिकल करेंगे सर हॉलीडे कोर्ट So we can clearly see that police is not divulging in. They are now.
Right, we'll try and get back to Ritvik Balikar on the same, but that is the latest that we have. Mumbai cops will be producing the accused before the magistrate, and they will be seeking custody of the accused. I'm going to go back to my colleague Ritvik Balikar, who is tracking the story. Ritvik, give us more details. What are you picking up on the ground on the case?
In which the accused Mohammad Shehzad will be taken to either Baba Hospital for medical examination, or he will be taken to Holiday Magistrate Court, where he will be produced, and police custody will be sought by the local police. We can see along with the detection team of Khar police station, the local police personnel are also accompanying this vehicle, so that there's no issue of law and order as well. We can also see that 6 to 7 hours of interrogation at Khar police station. The accused Mohammad Shehzad, in a tight police security, will be taken now onwards from here, Khar police station. A senior police official, Mr. Kaur, senior PI of Khar police station, is leading the team, the detection team, and he will be taken to Bandra Magistrate Court. They are taking all the necessary precautions. So, and also the details more details which are coming out of the interrogation which police carried out for last 7 hours since when he was brought inside Khar police station. They are not divulging into any more details as Dikshit Gedam, DCP of Bandra police station, revealed only 3 major points: that the accused Mohammad Shehzad is of the Bangladesh origin, as well he has no criminal record found in Mumbai, and he hardly knows anyone. Either for the first time he had entered Saif Ali.
So in the latest, after cops arrest key accused in the case, accused will be produced before the magistrate, Mumbai.
Accompanying him and taking him to Bandra Magistrate Court, we need to see that whether he'll be first taken to Bhabha Hospital nearby, where medical examination would be done. But at the same time, the police sources are telling us that still more angles are being figured out, whether he was in touch with any of the person in contact who lives in the vicinity or who is in contact with the staff who is working at Saif Ali Khan's residence. Is there any direct connection, or is there anyone else involved in this case who helped him out to barge into the Saif Ali Khan's residence? Is there any other involvement other than him, the prime accused, Mohammad Shehzad? Was there a planned attempt of robbery at Saif Ali Khan's residence? Are they working as a team? Is there anyone else who's involved and who has helped him out? They are also investigating the dumb data, the call detail records of the area which are being trapped by police at that time. But
Absolutely.
now the accused
Ritvik, keep tracking that story. We'll come back to you for more on this, exclusive details on what is happening in the Saif Ali Khan attack case, where the accused has been arrested by the Mumbai cops and he will be produced before the magistrate, where Mumbai cops will eventually be seeking his custody.